These were written in a case by a judge named, his last name was Friendly, so it's Judge Friendly, which I just liked. Yeah.
I hope he
Okay.
was a really nice judge,
I
too.
have no idea, but he did write this list of what procedural due process is, okay? So, a neutral and unbiased tribunal, a notice of the government's intended action and the grounds for it, the opportunity for the individual to present the reason why the government should not move forward with the intended action, the right for the individual to present evidence, including witnesses, the right for the individual to see the opposing side's evidence, the right to cross-examine the other side's witnesses, a decision based exclusively on the evidence presented at that trial, hearing, whatever, the opportunity to have an attorney, the requirement that the tribunal prepare a written record of the evidence, and a requirement that they prepare a written findings of facts giving the reason for the decision. Okay?
So detailed. I love that. And that's basically like, we still abide by all of those in trials
sure.
and stuff. You see all that
So
stuff.
if you
That's
think about
awesome.
a criminal trial, it's extremely easy to see how those are applied.
Right.
Very easy to see how in a criminal trial you have a neutral and unbiased tribunal. We're talking a jury. A notice would be, the charges, you're indicted, that's the notice. Opportunity to present the reasons why the government shouldn't put you in jail, you have that. Evidence, witnesses, cross-examination. And that's why the judges always say to you, don't go do your own research. Don't go and talk to anybody, because part of your right to due process is that it's only based on the evidence allowed in the trial. Representation by counsel. And then there's a written record. That's why they're always saying, like, can you talk into the microphone? The court stenographer can't hear you.
Yeah, they have that thing they talk into. Mm-hmm.
And then there's the finding of facts at the end, right?
Right.
So the jury writes down on their verdict form what they found. It's a lot trickier when it comes to civil law, and then particularly like civil commitment.